Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated drone releases of 2025, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. For months, rumors, leaked renders, and whispers in the drone community have kept enthusiasts guessing about what DJI's next compact powerhouse would bring to the table. And now, with first-hand images surfacing online, the excitement has officially reached new heights. The DJI Mini series has already built a legendary reputation for delivering professional-grade features in an ultra-lightweight body, and the DJI Mini 5 Pro looks set to redefine what's possible under the critical 249g weight limit. This is a milestone that has made DJI's Mini line incredibly popular across the globe. By staying below 250 grams, DJI ensures pilots can avoid many of the strict aviation regulations that heavier drones must adhere to, especially in the United States and Europe. In simpler terms, this drone is designed to provide advanced aerial photography and videography tools without the paperwork, restrictions, or limitations that often bog down larger drones. But what makes the DJI Mini 5 Pro truly remarkable is not just its weight class, it's the sheer list of upgrades packed into this sleek machine. With a new 1-inch camera sensor, improved gimbal mechanics, 4K 120fps video recording, vertical shooting for social media, advanced obstacle sensors, and an all-new design that emphasizes portability and flexibility, this drone is shaping up to be a game-changer for creators, hobbyists, and professionals alike. The importance of staying under 249 guan of DJI's greatest achievements with the Mini series has been keeping its drones under the 249g threshold. This classification allows pilots to fly without needing a drone license or facing strict restrictions in many countries. It's the sweet spot for those who want high performance without unnecessary legal complications. The DJI Mini 5 Pro continues this tradition while offering major technological improvements, proving that you don't need a bulky machine to create cinematic shots. What's more impressive is how DJI has managed to integrate larger components, like the upgraded 1-inch CMOS sensor and enhanced internals, without crossing this limit. Engineering at this scale isn't easy, but DJI has worked its magic once again. First-hand images and design changes. The leaked images reveal what looks like a ready-for-retail unit of the DJI Mini 5 Pro, making it one of the most legitimate leaks we've seen so far. Unlike early renders or blurry packaging shots, these photos highlight clear design tweaks. The C0 classification label confirms that it falls under the sub-250G category. The camera module is noticeably larger than previous Mini models, hinting at the improved sensor and lens system. DJI seems to have reworked the gimbal housing, allowing for greater rotation angles and stability in flight. The overall build remains compact and foldable, making it pocket-friendly and travel-ready. Just like its predecessors, a standout addition is the tap-and-twist propeller mechanism, replacing the old single-use screw system. This means faster, more convenient propeller replacements, a small change that makes a big difference for pilots who frequently swap parts. Another intriguing feature is the mystery button located on the top of the drone. While DJI hasn't confirmed its purpose, speculation suggests it might allow the drone to be powered on without the controller, offering instant takeoff convenience. The camera, a huge leap forward. The biggest talking point is undoubtedly the 1-inch sensor. Up until now, this kind of hardware was reserved for DJI's larger and more expensive drones, like the Air 3. Bringing it to the Mini series is a bold move, one that signals DJI's intent to blend professional quality with consumer accessibility. Why does this matter? Better low-light performance. Expect sharper, cleaner images in dusk or dawn conditions. Higher dynamic range. More detail in shadows and highlights for professional-grade footage. Improved color science. Richer tones and more accurate representation of natural environments. And for videographers, the rumored 4K at 120fps recording capability is huge. This means ultra-smooth slow-motion sequences with cinema-level clarity, perfect for action shots, sports events, or cinematic storytelling. Vertical shooting for content creators. One of the smartest features DJI has included is true vertical shooting. Instead of cropping horizontal footage, the Mini 5 Pro can rotate its gimbal to shoot natively in portrait mode. For creators focused on platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, this is a massive advantage. You'll no longer have to compromise on quality or reframe your footage awkwardly. The drone is ready-made for social media storytelling. Enhanced gimbal system. The gimbal is another area of significant improvement. Reports suggest that it can now rotate up to 225 degrees, opening up far more flexibility in framing. Whether you're shooting low to the ground, directly overhead, or capturing sweeping cinematic pans, the Mini 5 Pro gives you creative freedom without sacrificing stability. Additionally, the larger camera housing not only accommodates the bigger sensor, but also likely improves heat dissipation and stabilization, ensuring smoother footage during long shoots. Safety and obstacle avoidance. DJI has also worked on making flights safer. The addition of LAR, likely LiDAR-based sensor technology on the front, is designed to enhance obstacle detection. This could mean improved autonomous flight modes, better subject tracking, and more reliable obstacle avoidance during complex maneuvers. For filmmakers, this means fewer interruptions when relying on automated tracking shots or flying in tight spaces. For beginners, it adds an extra layer of safety when learning to pilot the drone. Portability and everyday use. Even with these upgrades, the Mini 5 Pro remains incredibly compact. Folded down, it can still slip into a jacket pocket or small bag, making it ideal for travel, vlogging, or spontaneous shoots. DJI understands that many drone owners value convenience and portability just as much as performance, and this new model strikes a balance between both worlds. DJI Mini 5 Pro versus Mini 4 Pro. While the Mini 4 Pro was already a strong contender in the lightweight drone category, the Mini 5 Pro brings substantial upgrades. Camera sensor, 1-inch versus 1.3-inch video. Recording, 4K 120 FPS versus 4K 60 FPS gimbal. Rotation, up to 225 degrees versus limited tilt range propeller design. Tap and twist system versus single-use screws vertical shooting. True native vertical versus cropped adjustments in every category. The Mini 5 Pro appears to raise the bar, making it more versatile for professionals and hobbyists alike. Why this drone matters. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is more than just another upgrade in the Mini series. It's a statement about the future of drone technology. It proves that portability doesn't have to come at the cost of performance. For professionals, it serves as a lightweight backup drone that doesn't compromise on image quality. For beginners and enthusiasts, it offers cutting-edge features without the regulatory headaches. In essence, DJI is showing that you can have power, portability, and accessibility all in one package. Expected launch and final thoughts. According to reports, the DJI Mini 5 Pro could launch as early as September 2025, aligning with DJI's usual release cycle. If true, we're only weeks away from seeing this drone officially hit the market. Until then, these leaked images and specs are enough to fuel the hype. DJI has built a reputation for delivering on expectations, and if history is any guide, the Mini 5 Pro will not just meet, but likely exceed what drone enthusiasts are hoping for. So whether you're a travel vlogger, professional filmmaker, social media content creator, or just a drone hobbyist, the DJI Mini 5 Pro promises to be one of the most exciting drones of the year, maybe even the decade.